Hello friends, this is Chiranjit. In this video, I am going to show you alignment in Adobe Illustrator. There are two types of alignment: horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. So here you can see I have taken too many objects for the alignment. So first we will show horizontal alignment. So I am going to select these two objects and we'll click again on this object to make it master, and we'll go window align. So you can see here is the align interface, and I will go for the first option, horizontal align left, and click on this. So you can show this as this is left alignment horizontally, and then we'll select these two objects and we'll click again on this to make it master object, and we'll click on the second option, horizontal align center. So this one is center, horizontal center, and we'll select these two objects and we'll click again on this object, and we'll go for the third option, horizontal align right. Click on this. So you can see this one is the right horizontal right alignment. So now we will go for the vertical alignment. Select these two objects and click on this to make it master, and this one is vertical align top. Click on this. So you can see this is the top vertical align, and we'll select again these two objects and click again on this circle to make it master object, and we'll click on this vertical align center. So you can see this is vertical align center, and we'll select these two objects and make it master by clicking again by second click, and then click on this vertical align top. So click on this, vertical align bottom. So you can see this one is bottom, this one is vertical align center, and this one is vertical align top. So guys, thank you for watching the video.